dimp ọma kamgbe m datọrọ n'ala na ahụ bere m ụtara gị ka m ji ahụ mblaka
ee Maggi na-achọ akara ji akwa ebere na-emere mmie nzuzo ka ihe tara m akara nkịtị ka o ji emere akara ji akwụ
Maggi awụdụkwa mmadụ gị na-enyekwe marakwa ege alụmụdịrị ekwedele Maggi ya na-acha
mba jimakwa ya ọjọọ gị na-eyi ya
nọkwara sị ego m mụrụ nwa n'ụlọ ego ma mụọ na-eji m aga m aga ọmụgwọ ewu aga m aga ọmụgwọ ewu
a na-aga ọmụgwọ ewu aga ewe oge ịmara gị zụrụ ihe ị ga-enye
onye mmamụ ele ebe nọ bịa nụ nwa m ka m kọlụ ụwa onye ewu ụtọ nkole m ewu onye ọcha ka eyiele bụ ụsọ ọcha ewu nweresha ịgajigekwe ka nwa ọkpọ nkata ala ekwenyekwe gosi ịhụnanụ onye ewukwa nwa afọ Igbo be anyị onye Enugu steeti ụdị ama okwetọ ndị na-ebupụta mmanwụ ewu Saro.
Ọsọfịa
onye abụ onye na-akpọ Saro iwe mgbe ọbụla o wezi iwe
ya na iwe a na-eme enweghị agba m iwe
ikele ya bụrụ nwanne ya wee iwe isi agụda afụnụ ya iwe isi ụtara nye ya ewe iwe mgbe ị ga-agwa ya ihe translation bụ ka m na-agba ihe na ọbụla ị ga-agwa ya iwe agụda ewu ya oge bụrụ isi Eliza akpa ya n'aka aka gwa na-emeche gị isi ka onye ife emebe ka onye ife achị gbagbukwe ya ma ya gbagbukwule ya gbagbu mụ na anyị nwoke na utokwere n'ogologo kama na ogologo ya adịchadị mma ikuku buo ya ebughara ya onye nke ya dịkwa n'ala nda ya buo ya Alright, thank you, my people. This is how we behave over here. If you're an Igbo person, wherever you meet your people,
we are one.
Show them love. That's our brother again, all the way from Taiwan. Issue the call Taitu. All the way from Russia. You rush into UK. And you will rush Russia. Rush into UK. That's our brother too. He came all the way from Russia because of our show. To tell you, a lot of people. Obasanjo came. Buhari came in spirit.
I know that.
They were the light. Maneze nege monte kam kodalo na akoko. Na hu nem wine dem nature talk up. I'm free. Yeah, what this very thing like UK. Only available edition of Blaga, but so say I'm original hairstylist. Yaga, why you want to go on your dog? The light we who could eat the old danger kind of me. Came back out, came at the atmosphere and more. Yes, Babu Quego, as you Babu Quema, when I'm in no Columo, you pay here, you pay and you care. Because all those you on your shoe. Should you think I catch we got make the frog jump like a wagon? Hey, read the boss, Gaulo, read the boss, Gaula, read the boss, Louis. Drive Nagamoto, key, a lot of shop, drop key, Arisha Botef, Masapaka Church.
Onye madam Bemna, ile wa British Bulldog.
Ewana Maggi puta dona.
Maggi jikwa. Obi agbajola mo we kwesa batala na eji ayi. Kwesa we plaka ni ayi. Lapasam. I was probably nice again. Oh, shit. All right. And what do you have? Go on. Is in Nebo. I am.
Mama.
Is in Nebo. I am. Only wearing near the to not go around. So what we'll do, we tie it.
No, I have the other one is somewhere.
I know. So we'll do it this way. Finally,
my original husband is back.
Yeah. Macanerio, Asimunerio, I am Anna Macau, Anne, I am Mao. Lezema Magio, Canewe Goragio Fondwe, no lie. Easy Mamma, Akam Dinelu, I am. Neme Bengala, Antime Bengala, I am Mau, Nangala Quesirigio, Oyo Nem, I am. All right, my people, you can see this is my UK Oyibo wife.
This is the only existing wife.
Yeah, registered wife. Maggi is a counterfeit. I'm sorry Maggi is here, but now I have to do this because she is not around. I want everybody to listen. For those of you who has been bullying this lady here, this woman, she is a mother like you. For those of you who are busy fighting for rapper, fighting for CWO rapper, fighting why would she wear rapper, why would she tie this rapper? This rapper is meant for Catholic women organization. This rapper is meant for this. This rapper is meant for that.
I want to say something.
Maggi is looking for you.
I want to say something.
Maggi,
Wait, leave Maggie. I want to say something.
Okay.
Pentecostal Christianity, Catholic Christianity, Orthodox Christianity. People should not fight. Christianity is one.
I know.
I'm a mother. I'm married to an Igbo man. I'm Catholic.
Yeah.
So,
she is a mother. She is married to a Catholic man, and her husband is from Nigeria. Our Igbo brother for that, and they've been living wonderfully fine. I bought this rapper from Nigeria. I brought it to UK, and she joined the CWO. And everything she has been creating, all the content she's been creating with this is to promote God, promote mothers, and do the things of God. So I wonder why some people have left to the fight. They will fight for the kingdom of God, to fight in their soul in the kingdom of God. They are fighting for rapper.
People will always fight. People will always fight. By the end of the day, people will get brain. We support.
You will support. So that is it. Please, let's stop all this our fanatism of being fanatics about Christianity. Christianity is a thing of the heart. It's not something you wear your trouser because you don't wear trouser. The other person that is wearing trouser will go to hell. You're not wearing earring. The other person that is wearing earring will go to hell.
Leave this for close-minded people.
You know, God lives in the heart.
Exactly.
What comes out of you is what matters, and not what you see, outward appearance. Come on, let us embrace one another. All the churches, we are serving one God, except there is another God under your own foundation. So please, I want everybody to get ready. Tomorrow is a D-Day. See a mother, she's going to be there at CWO. If you know you're a mother, come. She will lecture you, she will nurture you, she will tamper you, and she will liquidate you.
Exactly.
Abi, exactly. Yes. So that is it. My baby. Oh, ndine mama tie isokwa. Ndine mama
isokwa.
To another one. Ndine mama ugegbe ezinụlọ. Ndine mama. No, if I say ndine mama, you say ugegbe ezinụlọ.
Oh, that's too long ago.
Ugegbo ezinụlọ.
Igbegbo?
Awuhi igbegbo Chineke akpọ.
I love you and I love you. Enough. Cut, let's do that one for tomorrow.
Oh, like this.